Hi again. Let me introduce you to Assessment 3, the final assessment for Introduction to Landscape Architecture this term. In Assessment 1 and 2, you investigated a 21st century landscape architectural project here in Sydney. You studied the designer and the design practice to get a better understanding of the project and how it fits contextually within a broader scope of built work. Additionally, you composed several drawings, a sketch, an illustrative plan, a series of analysis diagrams, a figure ground or knollie drawing, and cross-sections to understand this project spatially. In this assessment, you will produce an illustrated essay. To begin, you will use the drawings you have already developed in Assessment 2, and I encourage you to rework these in accordance with the feedback you received. To these, you'll add one more type of drawing, a beautifully rendered three-dimensional view of the project. This is an aerial view or axonometric bird's eye view of the project at either 45 or 30 degrees to the ground plane. The written component requires you to analyse the principles of your project in terms of its formal qualities, stylistic attributes, and underlying design philosophy. The readings we have discussed each week in the tutorial sessions will form the main literature that you draw upon for your discussion. However, you are welcome to seek other scholarly resources from the library catalogue to help build your essay. The purpose of this final assignment is to synthesise the knowledge you have gained this term. To synthesise means to combine or merge. The assessment brief is located in Moodle. Make sure you read this and highlight those areas where the specific requirements are mentioned. Use the feedback you receive from your drawings in Assessment 2 to refine your images and ensure you keep up to date with your tutorial readings and clarify concepts you are unsure of. This assessment is one of the first at university that asks you to think critically. We are asking you to not only analyse and review the writing and project, but also make some claims about it that are your own. The UNSW Learning Centre has some great guides on how to do this, and I've placed the link to these in Moodle. Also placed in Moodle is a link to the Harvard referencing style that you should become familiar with and make sure you use in this essay. Overall, I hope you enjoy the opportunity to visit a significant landscape architectural project, to draw it, to write about it, and to describe it through some key pieces of literature within the discipline of landscape architecture.